Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone's notification sound, which is the default notification sound. And if you already updated your phone to iOS 17 and up, then that changed, and I think as many iPhone users, including me, doesn't like the sound, so the new sound, I mean. So to change it, first of all, you need to go to Sounds and Haptics. Here you can actually change your text tone, also some ringtones, new mail, and so on. So many people want the same text tone for the same sound for text tone, but today's video I'm going to show you about notification sound. So the notification sound is actually the default alerts right here, and this is what changed when you updated your phone. So you click right here, and here you can see that the rebound is like a new sound for notifications. Before the update it was tritone, so you can actually change it to that one, or you can also make some ringtones yourself. So basically guys, that's how you change the default notification sound on your iPhone. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.